What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another video. Alright, and in this video I wanted to go over with you guys how you can go ahead and get LUXALGO, which is a signal indicator, for free. Okay, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. Alright, I'm actually gonna go ahead and give somebody $10 right now just for commenting on my last video. So make sure that you comment on this video to enter, where I always pick a random person and just send them over $10 Bitcoin. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna do that now before I start the video. All right, and I want you guys to definitely subscribe, because I'm always gonna go ahead and try to give back to the community as I grow. All right, and let's see here. All right, if you commented on this specific video right here, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, I have around 26 people who did comment. Okay, 483 views. We're getting up there. 350 subscribers. All right, so if you commented on this video how to use LUXALGO signal indicator using key zones, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pick a winner for this $10 BTC giveaway. Boom, start. All right, and I usually do the giveaways at the end of the video, but I'm gonna do it now. Boom. All right, Brian Benjamin, first to like 100. All right, man, I appreciate you commenting, and congratulations on being first. This is obviously completely random, but you know, that's why you should turn on post notifications right there. All right, so Brian Benjamin, make sure that you give me a comment, all right, on the next video to go ahead and claim your prize, or you can message me on Instagram. All right, now, all right, if you're not familiar with LUXALGO, all right, what LUXALGO is a signal indicator, and as you guys can see here, it gives you entry points on when to get in and get out of the market. All right, now I'm using this currently for free, and what I mean for free is I actually paid for this, okay, and I still pay for it every single month. So when I mean free, all right, I'm actually stating that you're gonna get other people to go ahead and make your payments for you. Okay, what I do, okay, is I actually promote this all the time, as you guys know, because I use it. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm part of the affiliate program. Okay, and if you go to LUXALGO, whoops, I typed in Lucifer by accident. All right, if you type in LUXALGO, all right, and you know, you can click the link in the description in order to go ahead and sign up, which would be better, because this is actually going to make my point. Okay, when you click the link in my description, it's actually going to give you my specific link. Okay, if you click the link in the description, you can actually come down here, okay, to your affiliate program. All right, and what you're going to do is you're going to want to go ahead and sign up for this. All right, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead up and sign up for this, and for every person that you bring to Lux Algorithm, you're going to go ahead and get $10. Okay, $10. And now this is monthly. So for example, I'm going to get paid monthly for every person that I bring. All right, and I'm actually going to be super transparent here. I'm actually going to log in. All right, and as you guys can see here, all right, I've only been promoting Lux Algorithm for maybe a month and maybe a few days. All right, and I already received $100 payment from them, and on the 7th of the month, which every 7th of the month, as you guys can see here, they actually make a payout. Okay, and I'm actually going to be getting around $190. Now, meanwhile, the product, I'm actually on a discount plan, and I believe it's $61 a month. So you figure all you have to do is get 6 other traders to sign up for Lux Algorithm, and you're gonna go ahead and get Lux Algorithm for free. All right, me, I'm already now profiting and pretty much just making these short videos about Lux Algorithm. All right, and I'm benefiting. Okay, and this is gonna be residual. So as long as these people stay hooked on to Lux Algo, which most likely they will, because Lux Algorithm is, you know, providing profits. So you're spending $60 really to potentially make thousands and thousands of dollars depending on your trading style. Okay, so you know, I always give you guys the knowledge. I'm not here to go ahead and keep anything from you guys. I'm showing you literally what I've made from you guys doing me the favor and clicking my link. All right, what you're gonna do is once you sign up for the Lux Algorithm affiliate, okay, you're gonna click this, copy, and then you're gonna go ahead and just share this. You can share it with your friends via text. You can go ahead and share this via email with people who you know trade. If you're in Discords, you know, obviously you want to go ahead and make sure that you're sending it to the right people. But yeah, man, I mean, this is definitely an easy way. All right, and as you guys can see here, you know, every single day I'm getting 1 or 2 people to sign up. You know, these are all the ones that are pending. All right, now one thing that, you know, as you guys can see here, there was a few that are denied, and they actually messaged me back, you know, because I was like, hey, like there was 13 denied, so that's $130 potentially each month that was denied. And so pretty much, yeah, they're right now working on that. You know, so they said, hey, they're being auto denied because they were using another affiliate's discount code. Likely, sorry about this, we're fixing that. So their support is amazing, and they're paying out. I've already been paid directly into my PayPal account, and it's very easy to use and set up. All right, and I would definitely recommend you click the link in the description, sign up, and start promoting the link. All right, I don't think that you need Lux Algorithm in order to actually get your affiliate link. So you can actually start promoting it first, and then once you get 6 signups, boom, you go ahead and make the payment and get it yourself. Okay. Now, obviously, it would be much easier to go ahead and promote your, you know, affiliate link while actually using the program. So I would always recommend, you know, signing up for it first, testing it out, and you know, if you're not successful with it, don't promote it. You know what I mean? I only promote things that I'm successful with. Or if you go to the link in the description in my bio, those are all the, you know, links that I have faith in. You know, so I'm not gonna, you know, promote you guys anything that I don't think that's benefit. And you know, I see a lot of YouTubers making videos about Lux Algorithm, but nobody really talks about the affiliate commission side. And I'm big on helping you guys make money. So you know, I'm gonna do whatever I can to go ahead and help you guys get to the next level. And if this can help your trading, you know, might as well try to get it for free. So click the link in the description, sign up for it. I'm gonna drop a few new videos, you know, within the next few hours. So make sure that you comment on this video if you want to go ahead and participate in the Lux Algorithm uh, giveaway. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give Lux Algorithm to one lucky person. Okay, and I just reached 350 subscribers. So, you know, like I said, as the channel grows, I plan to give out a lot of money to you guys as my trading gets better. You know, if you're not into my free Discord, definitely join the Discord. I'm up this week on US 30 alone. Around $2,000. Today is actually Saturday, so I closed the week up. As you guys can see here, actually, too, BTC's on a huge run while I'm on live. Let me actually go back to BTC. I just want to catch that before I let you guys go. Let me see here. BTC Coinbase. BTC is shooting up right now. I want to go ahead and see if Lux Algorithm is going to catch this. Let's see here. If I change this, boom. Well, it was already a strong buy, so it's already telling us that it's been in a buy. So it's not going to go ahead and change or give us another signal at this point. But as you guys can see, BTC is topping out at 13.92. So for this video, actually, before I end, I want to go ahead and know if you watched this all the way through. All right, and I'm going to pick one lucky person who did watch this all the way through. Go ahead and comment what you think Bitcoin is going to go to. All right, that's something I'm curious about. Do you think Bitcoin is going to be able to hit $20,000 like the previous high, or around the previous high, or do you think, you know, it's going to shoot back down to under 10,000? So I appreciate you guys checking out my video. All right, and until the next video, I am out. All right, later.